my kitchen. Today we are going to have fun cooking shake and bake chicken for my husband. Let's get started. So let's go over the ingredients together. I have here salt, 1 teaspoon. You can take more or less according to your taste. Also I have red chili powder, half tablespoon. You can increase or take more or less according to your taste. And then I have garam masala powder. I take it 1 teaspoon. Then I have turmeric here, which is called yellow, or you can also call it haldi. I have taken half a tablespoon, and with that I'm going to use chicken tikka masala, 1 teaspoon, to add a zesty taste. And I'm going to add all those spices in the breadcrumbs, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and I'll mix it. I have mixed it well, made sure that there are no lumps in there. And I have cleaned the chicken, washed and cleaned the chicken, and then I've dried it already. And I'm going to put it in a plastic bag, any kind of plastic bag you can take. I have taken a shopping bag, and I'm going to put all the chicken. Chicken is half a kilogram in here, which is 5 pieces of drumsticks and 5 pieces of thighs. So basically a little bit more than half a kilogram. And now I'm going to add all my spices mixture with on top of chicken, and I'm going to hold shopping bag tightly or seal it so that the spices is not coming out. And I'm mixing it well, shake it in up and down all around, and make sure that the chicken pieces are coated well with the breadcrumb and spices. And then I have made this baking sheet ready with the lined with aluminum foil, and I have added about 3 tablespoonful of cooking oil in there. Now I am putting the chicken pieces. After that, what I'm going to do is take all the leftover spices. Yes, I'm taking all the leftover spices from the bag and sprinkling it on the chicken pieces. Now I'm going to take 1 more tablespoon of cooking oil and drizzle it on top of chicken, so that it has oil on both sides, little bit oil on top. And so I took 4 tablespoons of oil. 3 tablespoons of oil I have put down there, and in the meantime I have made my oven ready at 450 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake it for half hour. As half hour is done, and now I'm going to turn the chicken upside down so it is cooked well from both sides. My oven is conventional oven, and it takes little bit extra time and after half hour, now I'm going to bake it for at least 25 minutes. Now I'm taking it out, and I'm going to cover it with the aluminum foil. You can cover it with this aluminum tray or baking sheet or anything whichever is available to you, but I'm covering it with the aluminum foil to seal the heat and steam inside, so that that will make the chicken soft and nice and tender. And sealing it all sides so the steam is not losing. And now I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 more minutes, and let's see, 10 minutes are done. I have turned off my oven, and let's see how it looks like. Let's take it out from the oven and let's see how it looks like. And please be very careful. It's very hot. Its steam is very hot, and see how beautiful it's looking. It is nice and looks nice and crispy, but at the same time it's very tender and soft inside. It's cooked deep. Whole chicken is cooked inside, and it's time to try. Let's check how it looks like. This is my husband's favorite dish, and he is standing right beside me, and he cannot wait to taste it. See how soft and tender it is from inside, and crispy outside. If you like my videos, please subscribe and do not forget to click bell icon so you can get my new videos. Thank you. Bye for now.